iOS 18.2 is finally here, and after much anticipation, it's time to optimize your device for the best experience. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to take right after installing the update. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Navigate to the General section, tap on About, and wait for 5 to 10 seconds. This is where carrier updates usually appear after a system update. If prompted, apply any updates by tapping on the relevant option. Next, open the App Store and check the list of installed apps for updates. Install any available updates to ensure compatibility with iOS 18.2. Keeping your apps updated is key for smooth performance and enhanced security. Now, head back to Settings and access the Battery section. Tap on Battery Health to review your battery's condition. Every iOS update recalibrates the battery, so this is the perfect time to check for accurate health data. Finally, review your privacy settings. Go to Privacy and Security in the Settings menu and select Location Services. Review each app's location permissions and adjust them according to your preferences. Choose between Always while using the app or Never. By following these steps, your device will be ready to deliver the best iOS 18.2 experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.